Okay, it's July 30th, 2025 at Hi-Watt. We're spending the day with the Nexthermal marketing team. Nexthermal is a valued product partner for us, so I'd like to give a little background about Hi-Watt and the support levels that Nexthermal provides to us and why they are such a valued partner. Hi-Watt was started in 1979. We are a Michigan-based industrial distributor of process heating elements, temperature sensors, and process controls. What sets us apart from other distributors is our primary focus on helping to solve our customers' process heat challenges. So we do have outside sales, inside sales, and application engineers who provide live support to those customers. Why we value our partnership with Nexthermal so much is that they share many of the same values. The focus on thermal products such as coil cable heaters, cartridge heaters, the demanding rigor and specificity that they have to their product requirements, and the product support and application support that they supply us to help us solve a lot of our customers' thermal process challenges.
At the heart of every great partnership is trust, innovation, and a shared vision. Over the past several decades, Nexthermal and Hi-Watt have built more than a business relationship. We've created a powerful alliance that delivers smarter solutions, faster service, and greater value to the customers and the industries that we serve. Together, we are not just meeting expectations, but we're redefining them. We're thankful for the relationship we've built with Hi-Watt, and we're looking forward to success in many decades to come.